Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today it's about time I do something to this Nokia E71. Don't worry, it's legal. Um, this phone has already been refurbished by someone, but it has some problems, I understand. The only problem that I saw was, or actually heard, was the loudspeaker or the earpiece. Other than that, it appeared to be working. So in this video we are going to test every functionality of this phone and see what needs to be changed. So let's begin. So here's the E71. Let's put in a battery and see what's the problem, bub. Well, this is one problem. "17 talk towers. Oh my god. This is a good find. Yeah, this is the earpiece that's making the weird noise. So it pretty much works. I just have to change the earpiece and the... Wait, one last thing. Testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2. And again, testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2. And again, testing 1, 2. Well, it works. Let's delete this embarrassment. Yeah. So let's change the earpiece. Oh, here's the other problem. It's missing the screws. Alright. I don't like what I'm seeing. Yeah. Never mind. Okay. This type of earpiece. I'll have to look for some. Yeah, I'll go look for an earpiece and be right back. And I'm back. So this was the model and this is what I found. And it's new, by the way. Pretty much the same. I just saw this. This is so nasty. I thought this would be a quick fix, but man, I was wrong. Anything else that I need for this? No. However, I can assemble this thing. Before I continue assembling it, let's test it out. Oh, come on, even worse, seriously? So now I found this. One last try, baby. All originals. And also, a nice chin. Oh yeah, nice. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I'll just put this one. Oh, wait. From the bottom to the top. Yeah, something like that. Now, if this still has problems, it means that it's a problem with the main board. And in that case, I have another phone to use this body shell on, so either way I'm winning, boy. Okay, it's starting. Yeah, it's starting. It actually sounds better. Great. Good. Finally. I'll turn it off so I can see the display better while cleaning it. Honestly, this took longer than expected. I initially bought this phone just to take the body shell from it, and the seller told me that the phone had problems. However, this is not a much of a deal of a problem. Now, time to look for some screws. No, not that one, this one. Okay. Kind of weird, but okay, let's let it close on it. Okay, it does, good. It's looking just like before, but with a new chin. Here. Well, it's done, it works. I'm happy. So, thank you very much for watching. This should be a short video. Well, not shorts type of video, a short video because nothing much to do to it. I just changed the frame with the buttons and the earpiece and the chin. That's kind of it. So, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Bye.